So we got, where are they? We've got that red. It's been brought back from Interstate by plane. That nice red one is back. And say that blue red bar is back as well. So I'll put him here. Any hen I'm going to put him with, they'll definitely get paired because these two pairs are paired up. They've got eggs. That pair's got eggs. This saddle pair, I'll probably put them on the other side. I think they're ready to go. And so, see what I put him with. So I've decided to put that blue fella with this young red hen. I was gonna fly her, but she has got a wing issue. She must have smashed it somewhere. So definitely not a flyer, but definitely a breeder. So we're gonna put this girl, that fella, let them get paired. Probably be here for a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then we can get them ready. Maybe I'll leave them here to make an egg, but probably we'll throw them on the main loft. And then after this pair have the young'uns, I'll chuck them on the other side as well. And then we can finally slowly separate flyers, or just fun flying until I get flyers going on, just for a bit of fun. Yeah. Nice hen, nice eyes. So then the third hen, the third male that came from Interstate came back. Big Qantas is this amazing bird, which is the son of that blue. But I just put the red to get paired up, so we'll see what we'll put him with. In the future, I'll definitely put it to one of his sisters, but for now, I'll definitely put something. Not sure yet, but we'll definitely see. When the bird was here, it was on my main video, one of the 9 birds flying up. It's definitely a flyer. And then we'll see what I put this red to. We do have a young red on the other side. Let it grow up a bit, probably put it to that. So still plenty of time. Yeah. Long term, there'll be some sick flyers. Sick bloody flyers, but you've got to think of breeding up. And then these two tipplers with that baby tippler that's on the other side, definitely make them go up. Definitely foreign. The parents are on eggs again, so hopefully we can get some more tipplers going.